Want to make contactless payments with your Revolut 18 card using your Android phone? Adding your Revolut 18 card to Google Pay is a convenient and secure way to pay. In this guide, I'll show you how to easily add your Revolut 18 card to Google Pay. To add your Revolut 18 card to Google Pay, open the Revolut app on your Android phone and ensure you're logged into the Revolut 18 profile. Navigate to the Cards section. Select the Revolut 18 card you wish to add. You should see an Add to Google Pay button. Tap this button. Google Pay will open, displaying your card. Confirm the details and agree to the terms and conditions. Finally, your Revolut 18 card will be added to Google Pay. You might need to verify the card through the Revolut app or via a code sent to your registered phone number. Once verified, you can start making secure contactless payments. And there you have it. Adding your Revolut 18 card to Google Pay is fast and secure. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.